Good day, everyone. I am now here in basketball court of Barangay Pili, Madrodejo, Cebu. I am participating in MCGI feeding program. At the same time, they have free haircut for men. Thanks be to God. Kapatirang pagkaganda-ganda, malasakit ay walang kapara. Kapit kamay sa pagkakaisa, our good works will show, humanity will know. Let's proclaim His name to the world. Works of faith, works of hope, works of love, works of faith, hope, and love, caring for the glory of our God. We are MCGI,